interesting department, especially for ladies, and this is the plastic surgery department, where this is one of the famous plastic surgery department in Hanoi. And I also want to mention this hospital, Hong Mong Hospital is the first private hospital in Hanoi. So that's a very important note to be mentioned. Am I right? Yeah. So this is the plastic surgery department. Shall we go inside?
Yes.
It looks like a 5-star hotel again. So this is mostly, looks like more of a aesthetic look. It's so good. It's so mostly the plastic surgery department. Of course, they handle the fire burns and some scars. Still, there's more about a cosmetic thing, aesthetic thing on the face, on the body. It's more about cosmetic, yeah. And today, that's the need of the hour. The consultation room for the department, yeah.
Yeah.